Looking for a lunchbox win or a snack that actually disappears? Today we are making sweet cone cheese toast. It's crunchy, gooey, and packed with that natural sweetness kids love. Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Let's look at the ingredients. Sweet cones boiled. Grated carrots. Butter. Grated cheese. Finely chopped green chilies. Garlic granules, finely chopped garlic. Cheesy garlic bread mix. Bread slice. In a bowl, start with adding grated carrots. Then everyone's favorite boiled sweet cone. Add green chilies as per your taste. Add softened butter. And lots of cheese. Add in some garlic granules or some fresh garlic. Mix all the ingredients well. Now it's time to assemble the cheese toast. Spread the mix generously on the slice of bread. Place the toast on the pan and cover the lid so that cheese melts. My kitchen smells all cheesy. Sprinkle some cheesy garlic bread mix. Now for the best part, the reveal. Slice these into dippable fingers or fun triangles that are perfect for little hands. See that cheese pull? That's the secret to getting kids excited about veggies. Serve it up with a side of ketchup or a cool yogurt dip. And you've got a balanced, crunchy lunch that'll have them asking for seconds. Pack it in a lunchbox or serve it warm. Crunchy, cheesy, and toddler approved. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy, kid-friendly kitchen recipes.